All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
What is up, people? Hope you're well. We're back out doing some more of the shelter build, as you can see. Just came on the bike. So basically we're just extending this side, so there's going to be a lean-to obviously here and a lean-to over here. We've got a tarp up and then we're just putting a layer over the tarp now. Got a little lantern hanger here. This is where I'll be sleeping tonight. Obviously, the fire's going to be down here. And I'm on with making just a little cooking station just for hanging my pots off around the fire. I'll have 2 different levels. You'll see when it comes together. Alright then, thanks for joining me.
You had your way, but you never really liked what you saw. Pulled up to the table, late, you should've never should have been all. Thought you didn't wanna make a trade, make a trade, make a trade. Seems all you smoke is a fading away. You take a lot for granted now, don't you? Wish I could say I feel for you.
Yeah, right.
the sea.
Are you going? I think so. Rob, Gonzo. I haven't been here long, like.
Why do they call them red onions? When it's
Obviously fucking purple.
it's close to red, isn't it? I suppose, but...
I miss my lantern.
Remember it?
What is it? Garlic granules?
Garlic granules and like some herbs and stuff.
We'll have 2 spoons there.
What's that?
Chili powder.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be nice, guys. Right. A little bit for extra measure. Well, you said this last time and it was actually rather nice.
It was.
There's a big portion, don't forget.
Make it as fucking white out as you possibly can.
Ow.
That.
Fits perfect, does that, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's an epic shot, that Gonzo.
Cooking the rice.
Whoa. You got hanging things just there, mate. Bro.
It's all good. There you go, Gonzo, mate. Tuck in.
Cheers, mate. That's
Look how
awesome.
messy this fucking sandwich is.
Maybe it's the things you make me do. It seems to me we both should hang around and raise the population.